Have you ever tasted a cherry so sweet, it leaves you wanting more? Meet the Carmine Jewel cherry, a top choice for garden enthusiasts. Carmine Jewel is a hybrid cherry. It results from crossing sweet and sour cherries. This plant is compact, growing 6 to 8 feet tall. It fits perfectly in small spaces and gardens. These cherries are not just beautiful, they're resilient too. They're cold hardy and can survive harsh winters. Plus, they thrive in various soil types. No need for fancy soil amendments. Planting is easy. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Ensure good drainage in the soil. Space plants about 5 to 6 feet apart for air circulation. Once planted, provide regular watering. Young trees need extra care but soon become self-sufficient. Fertilize every spring with balanced fertilizer. Watch them bloom with lovely spring flowers. As summer approaches, cherries will start to grow. When they're dark red and plump, it's the perfect time to harvest. Cherries are usually ready in mid to late summer. Now, let's talk about taste. Carmine Jewel cherries are tart but sweet, making them ideal for pies. You can also eat them fresh, they're a delicious snack. Consider preserving your cherries too. They make excellent jams and jellies. You can even freeze them for later use. In summary, the Carmine Jewel cherry is a fantastic addition. It's beautiful, resilient, and fruitful. You'll love the taste of homegrown cherries in summer. Ready to transform your garden? Visit your local nursery and find a Carmine Jewel cherry today.